Space looks calm and beautiful from Earth, but some planets are more terrifying than anything we can imagine. When people think about the scariest planet, many assume it must be Mars or a distant exoplanet. But the most frightening planet in our solar system is actually Venus. Venus is often called Earth's twin because of its similar size, but everything else about Venus is deadly. The surface temperature of Venus is hot enough to melt lead. It reaches over 900 degrees Fahrenheit, making it the hottest planet in the solar system. The atmosphere of Venus is filled with thick clouds of sulfuric acid. If a human were somehow placed on Venus, they would be crushed instantly due to the extreme air pressure, even before the heat or toxic gases could kill them. Venus also has violent storms, constant lightning, and no breathable oxygen. Scientists believe Venus may once have had oceans, but a runaway greenhouse effect turned it into a planetary nightmare. Now let's answer another big question. Which planet is closest to Earth? Many people think the closest planet to Earth is Mars. Surprisingly, that is not true. On average, Mercury is actually the closest planet to Earth. Because of the way planets orbit the Sun, Mercury spends more time closer to Earth than any other planet. Next, let's talk about distance. Which is farther from Earth, the Moon or Mars? The Moon is Earth's closest neighbor in space. It is about 238,000 miles away. Mars, on the other hand, is millions of miles away, even at its closest point. This means Mars is much farther from Earth than the Moon. Even though astronauts have already walked on the Moon, reaching Mars is still one of the biggest challenges in space exploration. A journey to Mars would take months and expose astronauts to radiation, isolation, and extreme risks. Space is vast, dangerous, and full of unanswered questions. And the more we learn, the more we realize how small and fragile Earth truly is. If you enjoyed learning about space and want to discover more mind-blowing facts like this, stay curious and keep exploring the universe with us. Subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos like this.